Meet Magfaster, the fastest ever magnetic charging system. Supercharge your life with the fastest all-in-one magnetic charging system. Includes a car mount, gaming, desktop, and power bank, as well as an iPhone case. Tired of your charging setup? Slow wireless charging speed? Carrying a bulky and heavy power bank? Always falling off from your car mount? Getting bad gaming performance? It's time for something different. The Magfaster magnetic charging ecosystem is the change you need. Get a magnetic pad and 4 magnetic docks to use everywhere. Experience next-gen magnetic point-to-point fast charging technology that is contact conductive. Start charging your devices with the fastest charging speed ever. Fast charge in your car, office, while playing games, even on the go. One system for every place, and it'll never fall off unless you take it off. Magfaster is compatible with all iPhone and Android phones, including those that don't support wireless charging. Magfaster designed and created a brand new magnetic iPhone case option for iPhone 12, 12 Pro, and iPhone 11, and others to protect your iPhone. You can even open the back clip and transform it into an iPhone stand, freeing your hands and giving you a stable base. Mounting your phone into the car mount takes half a second, so you can instantly start driving. Only 2 hours to fast charge on your desktop mount. Enjoy a fast and flexible charging, so you never have to stop gaming. And with our magnetic contact, you can connect and charge in the dark without any issue. Start enjoying fast and simple stick-in charging with Magfaster.